Hey guys, Bill here, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to build Robin from, I guess, Titans, but I just based this one off of the 2015 version of Robin. I just updated it, but this version of Robin I really like, but I haven't built it yet here, so you see I'm working on the clean slate already, but yeah, because I just wanted to kind of do like a surprise thing, but I guess it's not a surprise since I just told you. Anyways, we're gonna use these dual printed ones with the black boots and the dark green torso. Upper leg. I don't know. And we're just gonna go to superheroes, DC Comics. It's taking a while to load, and they load, and we just use this torso. Then we're gonna center on it, turn these hands black, go to multiple, turn them black, and then do the same thing. Wait, no, it loaded twice. And then go to the arms, and you turn them green, because when Lego did it, I didn't really like how it went black, even though you could have this slight green in the arm right here. And then go to cape. You can type it like down there, or you can just go to textiles, but I prefer typing. And click this one, and I didn't really like how the yellow cape looks, so I just kept it at dark green. Then you go back to heads, superheroes, DC Comics, and sometimes this happens where it doesn't load. So you can just type it on the side. But I want Arsenal. I want the head for Arsenal, so use that. Then you go to hairs, and then you just scroll down, click the plus, and then black hair. And then I didn't really like how the front looks, so I just use this head. And this is how you basically make Robin, my version of Robin, that I was going to use for a stop motion. I'm going to do, I might do it, I'm not really sure now, but yeah, this is how I made Robin. One accessory I use for him is a bat, a baseball bat, and I don't know if it's gonna load on here. No, it hasn't loaded on here, so I'll just give him a batarang. You can use this version or this version, the classic version. And then I just turn it like a dark red. I don't think. No, it doesn't. And this is how you make Robin, or at least my version of Robin, that I'm really happy with. And you can try this on your own. And I'll see you guys later.